Good afternoon. Today we will learn how to write a part program for a drilling operation. The drilling operation is performed on CNC drilling machine or or VMC machine. VMC means vertical machining center. Vertical machining center is similar to the CNC milling machine, but on vertical machining center you can perform the various types of operations. So it is called VMC. VMC means vertical machining center. Why it is called VMC? Because its spindle is vertical. In CNC milling machine there are two types of CNC milling machines or CNC machining centers. It is also called machining centers. There are two types of machining centers: horizontal machining center and vertical machining center. The drilling operations performed on VMC. As shown in figure, in VMC there are three axes: x-axis, y-axis, and z-axis. These are the three axes. First, you have to identify the z-axis, which is spindle axis. VMC means the spindle is vertical. So, in case of VMC, z-axis is a spindle axis, which is vertical as shown in figure. That is ZZ. What is positive Z? When the spindle moves away from the workpiece surface, that is positive Z, and when the spindle moves toward the workpiece, that is negative Z. Then you have to identify the x-axis. X-axis indicate the longitudinal travel of the table, that is left or right side, that is positive x and negative x. At right hand side it is positive x, at left hand side it is negative x. Okay. Then y-axis. Y-axis indicates the cross travel of the workpiece or table. When the table moves towards or away from the column, that is y-axis, and it completes a standard three-dimensional coordinate system, that is positive y and negative y. Positive y means when the table moves towards the column, that is positive y, and when table moves away from the column, that is negative y. Thus, in this way, you have to find out the axis identification in VMC machine as shown in figure. Is it okay? Is it correct? In VMC machine there are three axes: Z axis, which is spindle axis, which is vertical. Then X axis indicates the longitudinal travel of the table, and Y axis indicates the cross travel of the table on which the workpiece is mounted. Is it okay? Then you have to use the cutting tool. Generally in VMC, end mill cutter is used for drilling operation. Instead of using the drill bit, here the end mill cutters are used on VMC machine to perform the drilling operation. Is it okay? Then we will learn how to write a part program for drilling operation. First, write down the part program. Write down the problem. Write part program to drill the two holes as shown in figure. The plate thickness is 10 mm. Assume the cutting tool diameter is 10 mm. Reference plane is at the top surface of the plate. Is it okay? Then you have to study the job drawing. As shown in job drawing, there is a steel plate on which you have to perform the drilling operation at the 2 points, that point 1 and point 2, having diameter 10 mm, and you have to use the cutter end mill cutter. Okay. Then you have to study the job drawing, means its various dimensions of the point or dealing points. Before then, you have to locate the workpiece 0 or reference point. As mentioned in the problem, the reference plane is at the top surface of the plate as shown in figure, that is 0 0 0. Three zeros are there, mean x0, y0, z0. As shown in figure, you have to first locate the reference point or workpiece 0. Is it clear? Essentially, the workpiece 0 is at the center point of the workpiece. Here, the workpiece 0 or reference point is at the corner of the workpiece and top of the workpiece surface. Is it okay? Then there are here you have to perform the drilling operation at point 2, that is point 1 and point 2. The dimensions are measured from the reference point along the x direction, along the y direction. Is it okay? Then you have to find out the coordinates. It is very simple to find out the coordinates. You have to prepare the table like point x-axis and y-axis values. The point 1, x-axis value is along the x-axis it is 20, along the y-axis it is 30. Is it okay? Then find out the coordinates of the point 2. X coordinate is 20 plus 70, that is 90. X coordinate is 90. Y coordinates remain the same, that is 30. After finding the coordinates, you have to write the part program as usual. In dealing operation, you have to use same G code, M codes and NC words for writing the part program, which are used in CNC lathe operation. Is it clear? Same G codes, M codes and NC words are used for drilling operation. For drilling operation, you have to use the code G01, that is linear interpolation function followed by the feed rate. That is the only difference. For the drilling operation, you have to use the code G01, that is linear interpolation function followed by the feed rate. Is it okay? Then the first part you have to write the program number, that is P001 as shown in, that is P001, that is program number 1. Then you have to write the first block as usual, that is block number 110, that is N 110, that is sequence number G28 U0 V0 W0. G28 means automatic return to machine home position as usual. What are the UVW? These are the parallel axes with X, Y and Z respectively. Is it okay? UVW, U is the parallel with the X axis, V is parallel with the Y axis and W is the parallel with the Z axis. Is it okay? Then you have to write the next block, that is sequence number N120 G90